Welcome to Career Synergy Solutions. My name is Rodney Hughes. I'm the founder of this organization, and today we are going to share with you a recent interview that I conducted where I explained what Career Synergy Solutions is, what we do, who we are, and how we can be of most benefit to you. I hope that you find a lot of great value in this video, and if you're interested at the end, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you an opportunity of how we can work together to help you accomplish your goal of getting into the dream career that you ultimately desire. And so I'm really excited about that. We're going to go ahead and jump into this interview. I hope you enjoy. Okay, Career Synergy Solutions is a career training organization where we actually teach people how to effectively market and sell themselves throughout the entire job hiring process. From the moment that you have this idea of what you might want to do, we help you really hone in on that, and then we take you step by step through the processes that you need to go through in order to effectively sell yourself and get the job that you desire. Now, not only is that what we do, but I think it's important for you to understand why I created Career Synergy Solutions. You see, because we're a little bit different than the three different ways that people typically will look for a job. So the first way is people will sometimes just jump out there and try to figure things out on their own. That can be a pretty frustrating process when you're trying to get into something that you really love or that you really desire. The second approach that a lot of people take in the job hiring process is they will jump out there and get a recruiter to help them find the right job and actually get an interview. The last way is people will oftentimes get a career coach to help them. And Career Synergy Solutions is a little bit different because what we do is we work with people step by step. We don't just show you what it is that you need to do or help you identify what it is you need to do. We actually work with you step by step throughout the entire process. You have either myself or another one of our career strategists to work with you step by step all the way through that process so that you can continue to approach things the right way and have the utmost confidence that you're really having strategies that are going to differentiate you in the marketplace and make you very attractive to a hiring manager. When we work with clients, the very first thing that we like to start off by doing is helping them really clearly visualize what it is that they really want to do. There's so many people out here that are looking for a better situation, but they really don't even know where to start, where to go. And so that's where we start. We're going to create a vision of exactly what industry you want to be in. Then we're going to narrow that down to a few different positions that you see in that industry that are attractive to you. And then we're going to really narrow that down even more to where we get down to one position that is a good fit for you, and then we're going to attack it. We're going to attack it with all-out intensity and really make things happen. Then after that, a few other things that you'll receive when you actually work with us is we're going to help you restructure your resume. We're going to also do a lot of intensive one-on-one coaching to help you be able to overcome some of the challenges that you'll face in this process. And then also, this is one thing that makes us a little bit different as well, is that we're going to create for you your own professional website, 3-page website, where you'll be able to put up your resume and do a lot of different creative things that will really help you stand out to that hiring manager. Okay, got it. That's a great question. Right off the top of my head, I can think of about 3 different things that are major problems for people when they go through the hiring process. But let me first say this. There are a ton of different things. There are so many different things that people mess up on when they go through the hiring process that don't actually move them forward in the process. But I'm going to go ahead and share these 3 with you. Number 1, when you get the interview, I've seen so many times where people are unprepared to really sell themselves in that interview. I mean, this is where the magic really takes place. You have an opportunity to really do some great things in the interview, and a lot of people don't capitalize on it because they just don't know how to sell themselves in the interview. The second thing is that people don't close the deal. It amazes me how often I've been in an interview situation where either I'm hiring somebody or I was sitting in on an interview session, and how people don't ask for the business. Well, that's an old sales term, but ask for that position. They don't ask for the position. They don't close the deal. And so that's a really big problem that I think it could be easily avoided if you just ask for the position. Lastly, this might seem very simple, but so many people don't follow up properly. Whether you get the position, don't get the position, whatever the situation is, you always want to follow up, and people just don't follow up. Either they don't know how to follow up, they're not thinking about following up. I don't know what the real situation is, but a lot of people just don't follow up. And so those are three really major things that people mess up on, or those are three major mistakes that people have going through the hiring process. You know, this might sound a little cliche, but anyone and everyone could really benefit from the training that Career Synergy Solution provides. But I'm going to go ahead and narrow it down a little bit for you, just to be a little bit more specific. If you are currently unemployed, maybe you've been laid off, maybe you've been laid off, maybe you just are coming out of college and you're looking for a position. If you're currently unemployed, you could definitely benefit from this program, because I'll teach you things that can really change your life and really make this process of finding a job a lot easier for you. Here's a big one though. If you're currently in a position at a company and you are unhappy with where you are in your career at this time, and you want something new, you want something better, this can definitely help you, okay? Because I can show you things that can really help you either get a promotion within your own company, or that can help you seek out a better employment opportunity for you. So regardless if you're currently employed or you're looking for a promotion or looking to just go to another organization, if you've never had any type of formalized training in the hiring and effectively going through a hiring process, you're going to find immense value out of the program that I've created here at Career Synergy Solutions. So, hope that answers your question. Welcome back. I hope you found a lot of value in the interview that you just watched. I tell you what, I'm excited about having the opportunity to work with you. So, here's the deal. If you know right now that you are absolutely certain that you want to move forward with Career Synergy Solutions, get the ball moving so that we can start creating the right tools and the right things necessary to move you forward in the job hiring process, then go ahead and click on the button to the right of this video and get set up for what I like to call a career diagnostic interview. And what this is either myself or someone from my team will reach out to you, and we will set up a time for us to actually meet either in person or via the telephone or web, and we will discuss what your overall goals are, where you're headed, and then we'll give you a better understanding as to what it is we can do to help you really accomplish your goals. Now, if you are not in the position where you feel like you're ready to go ahead and make that leap of faith and make things happen, then we have some other things that you can do. Number one, I definitely want you to start off by going down this page a little bit and check out real feedback from a real customer of ours. I'm gonna tell you what, the young lady in this video had a phenomenal experience with us, and she is super grateful that she used the services that we provide. And then another thing I would like for you to do is take advantage of the 7-part workshop that I've designed, and really take hold of those concepts. It'll really start moving you in the right direction whether you end up working with us or not. And so, other than that, whenever you are ready to make that move, you can always come back to this web page, click on the button to get started now, and we're always here to help you. But if you are one of the few that are definitely, you're ready to roll right now, you're ready to make things happen, go ahead, click on that button, get started, and we're going to do some great things, okay? Thank you for your time. Thank you for checking out this video. Hope it's been very, very helpful to you. I look forward to working with you in the future.